Ever wondered how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the manufacturing industry? Well, let's dive in. The manufacturing landscape is undergoing an exciting transformation thanks to the power of AI. It's creating ripples of change, bringing with it increased efficiency, reduced waste, and improved product quality. Imagine a world where production lines are smart, where machines can communicate with each other, adapt to changes, and make decisions on their own. This isn't a far-off dream, but a reality we're living, and it's all thanks to AI. In the heart of this transformation lies a concept known as closed-loop manufacturing. It's a system where all components, from design to production, are interconnected, sharing information in real time. AI plays a vital role in this system, analyzing the data, making predictions, and driving decisions that optimize resource utilization. Now, let's delve into a real-world example of how AI has improved a manufacturing process. Consider the case of surface mount technology, SMT, a method used in the assembly of printed circuit boards. Now let's dive a little deeper into this world. SMT is a widely used process for the creation of electronic devices. It is the backbone of our digitally driven world, enabling the production of everything from smartphones and computers to life-saving medical devices. As critical as this process is, it also has its challenges. It can be resource-intensive and wasteful, with high defect rates that lead to more waste. Enter artificial intelligence. AI has stepped into the world of SMT, bringing with it a wave of transformation. It has given us the ability to optimize the SMT process in ways that were previously unthinkable. Imagine a system that can analyze vast amounts of data from the SMT process in real time. This AI-powered system can predict potential defects before they occur, allowing for preventative action to be taken. The result? Improved product quality and a significant reduction in waste. This isn't science fiction.